I'm Jake and this is Kurt with SlikRok Productions. And about 30 days ago, we installed Super ATV's Easy Steer kits, their new Series 6 600 watt steering motors in both of our Turbo S's and both of our Kawasaki KRX's. And the thing is, those machines, we are running 37 inches tires on 3 of them and 40-inch tires on the other.
Right. And a lot of people have reached out to us because we put videos out about this about 30 days ago when we were installing them, want to know if they're worth it. So here's the trade-off. We've looked into hydro steering. We've dabbled with that quite a bit. It requires alternator kits. It's expensive. It's a lot of plumbing. There's a lot to it. The kits out there, like I said, they're expensive. And so ultimately we want more power. You want a bigger power steering pump. And I'm telling you what, for all those guys that reached out to us and asked if they're worth it, we put 30 days on them. We've done hardcore trails. We've done a lot of wheeling with them. They're absolutely positively worth it. They're just phenomenal kits. They're easy to install. There's a lot of power. They're super easy to turn with big tires. They're tough. They're rugged. They don't heat up. They're not blowing fuses. They're everything we hoped they would be. Links below. Check them out. They're worth it.